Umintri rang ba ka jilla ukonat sangma ulaong ba ka sarkar Meghalaya ka Īakren ya ki babun kimat ha ka jingwan u Amit Shah sa Shillong ha ka apsa wat apsan tarik mentau benai bat kimat ki kentup ya upod usam bat ka Assam ka inline permit ka jing terwaya suk Hnlc bat Kiwei Kiwei.
Many issues are there on the cards. Definitely we will be discussing about the boundary issue with the Honourable Minister. We will also be discussing about many of the developmental issues that are there. The Honourable Minister, Home Minister being the Chairman of Hnlc, so we will also be discussing about that. He is also very keen to discuss about the afforestation and conservation work, especially in Sora area. So we'll be discussing about that. All the chief ministers of the Northeast have been invited, so I'm sure that there will be some agendas that will be very common to the whole of Northeast that will be discussed. Apart from that, obviously state-specific issues, including our issues of the 8th schedule, issues of the 6th schedule amendment, issue of the ILP. All these matters will also be discussed with the Honourable